This is the Cleansui water filter unit designed for domestic applications where you can improve the quality of your drinking water in your home. This filter unit connects to your existing water line with a tap mounted on the top surface and all the pipes and filter unit hidden below the counter in your cupboard. The main focal point is the filtration of the drinking water. This filter cartridge is the super high grade filter. The filter lasts approximately 8,000 litres. Now at 5 litres use a day, that works out to be over 4 years of use. The filter contains activated carbon to remove odour, improve the taste and remove the residual chlorine and trihalomethanes in the water. Now these are the byproducts from the chlorine and organic matter breakdown. There is also a hollow fibre membrane which can filter right down to 0.01 particle size. Thus this prevents bacteria passing through like E. coli. The hollow fibre membrane filter also prevents microorganisms, organic matter, algae, turbidity, fungi, rust and metal particles from passing through the filter. This under-counter Cleansui kit comes with the tap, all the required pipes and fittings, as well as the filter cartridge. So how does it actually work? Well, water is teed off from your water supply, one of your existing taps or lines that you have there, supplied off through to the tap. From there the water passes through the water filter as you open the tap and then the clean water goes back to the tap out the spout. All the supplied pipes are clearly marked, making installation easy and quick. The most difficult part is probably drilling the hole to accommodate the tap. Check out the install video where I'll take you through all the steps. If you found this clip interesting, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews, how-to DIYs, and DIY inspirational videos for you to give it a go and get stuck in to get it done.